much for joining me for this video. So today I have got some really exciting unboxings to do. I have two, yes, look at that. I have two Kaweco pens to unbox. These are both, as far as I could tell, I think they are Taiwan exclusives. And I have seen in some posts where they may be exclusive to Hong Kong as well, but they are not exclusive to here in the US. So I was actually able to pick these up on Amazon, thank goodness. I really wanted, with this collection, with the rose quartz one, they had a beautiful periwinkle color called Serenity Blue too, but everywhere I've looked, it's been sold out. But I was able to get the rose quartz as well as the Hello Kitty. So super excited to open these up. I do have one Kaweco pen already. This, oh goodness, this is the Skyline Sport in lavender, and it is one of the newest colors that they have come out with. I was so shocked when I opened this pen up by how tiny it is. But this honestly is one of my favorite pens that I have so far. It writes very, very well. It's a very reliable writer for me. I like the weight of it. So I knew, at least with the rose quartz one, I'd be golden with that. So this is what I already have in my collection. So let's get to these. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna open up the plastic there. I honestly did not expect for these to come in so soon. So I was just being kind of lazy, not worrying about getting converters and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to, which they come with cartridges already, so I guess it'd be a decent, it's not like I can't write with these yet. That's what I'm saying. But I do prefer being able to use my own ink. I'm not really a cartridge person. So I am going to be getting some converters for these. These were also fine nibs. Maybe the seller on Amazon just didn't offer anything other than a fine nib. So that's going to be another kind of, not so sure how I'm going to feel about that. But the nibs are very easy to replace, and I don't think that they're that expensive. Because medium, I have figured out medium is my jam. Oh my gosh, these do not come in metal tins. This one came in like a little cardboard box. But this one, oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Yes. This one comes in this beautiful little vintage looking tin. This is, oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's all raised and stuff. That is nice. Another little sticker. I've already put one on my caboodle. Look at that girl. She's beautiful. Look at that. I bet you could fit more than one in here. Yes. Oh, that's nice. Okay, I keep beating up the purple one. The color of this one is just gorgeous. It is just this beautiful baby pink. We got a little bit of felt fuzzies on us. So I'm gonna have to get a clip for this one as well as a converter. So the top, you've got the little Kaweco kind of seal up there. And as usual, you just twist off. And then there's your nib. I believe that Kaweco uses Jovo nibs. Everything looks good. should have a cartridge in here. Yep. So I think I may go ahead and put this in and do a little pen test. Now my only Kaweco, but I could definitely see myself being a Kaweco collector just because of how much I really like the lavender one. Yeah, we definitely need a cute little clip for this one. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. So I'm gonna let this one kind of sit up and let that ink start running through there. And open up the Hello Kitty. Now this one's a little different. This one is an aluminum. This is the, this is the AL Sport. So it's a little bit more. But I have not tried the aluminum versions. I think they're gorgeous. The rose gold one looks really nice. But I wasn't sure about the aluminums. But then I saw that they had these Hello Kitty ones. So I grew up in the 90s. And I remember every year before school, my granny would take me to the school supply store where I would get my school supplies for the year. And it was always such an exciting time because I would always pick out a new Trapper Keeper and stuff like that. And more often than not, I love Hello Kitty, but my favorite Sanrio character when I was a kid was Pachaco. So I would always pick up a new Pachaco, Trapper Keeper, notepads, probably some pencils, pens, backpack, all the good things. So this is a very limited run, and as with the other pen, I believe this one is a Taiwan exclusive, but it is still available. I would say the rose quartz one, as far as I can tell, they came out a couple of years ago, so they may be a little bit more limited edition, harder to find at this point, but these you can still find. I know you can find them on a website called Pen and Tool, but I found mine on Amazon, and if I like this one, I think I want to pick up the Lilac AL Sport, but it is again not here in the US. So this box looks a little bit different. It is a metal one with the Kaweco seal. I'm gonna call it the seal. Oh my goodness. And this one comes with a clip already. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness. So blind embossed on there is the Kaweco X Hello Kitty with the little bow. We've got the Kaweco seal in gold. It's like a brushed aluminum. This one is nice. Oh, look at that. See, like, I know it's probably not going to damage it, but God, I'd be afraid to cap that almost. So on the back here, it's got 7620 Sanrio Co. Limited, but look at this. On the nib is a Hello Kitty head. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's perfect. And this one is a fine nib as well, so I'm probably going to keep the fine nib on this one just because this is the matching one. The clip, of course. I think they call these the nostalgia clips. So you see the little Kaweco going down it. Nice little, just a nice little pin clip. These, I really like these clips. I think they, and I'm dropping everything today. Oh man, I'm afraid I'm gonna damage that metal just even sliding this on. It's like I can feel it. Okay. All right, it is on now. I'm not gonna move it. So again, this one I believe has the cartridge in there already. So let's see how she writes. And I've got my medium here just for kind of like a line reference. I wonder what the color of the ink is. I think I'm just gonna put Kaweco blue. That's a nice pen. I think I'm gonna like the weight of that one as well. Okay, now where is my notebook? Here we are. So gonna go to the back to the pen test page. And I have already written with the lavender one here. So let's see how this baby writes. I'm gonna have a little issue starting probably. Where is a piece of paper that I can kind of scribble? There we go. Sometimes it takes a minute for these to get started. And to be honest, oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. I was starting to wonder if I even clicked it in good enough. All right, so Kaweco, Skyline, Sport, Rose, Quartz. This is a fine. And I'm just gonna put Kaweco blue cartridge. Oh, wait, okay. Anyway, I was trying to dot the R. So, where's my other fine point? So this fine point looks a little bit finer than this one. This is the TWSBI. This one does write a little bit finer, so I'm not hating it. It's just gonna be something that I'm gonna have to get used to, especially with this one, because I don't know. There we go. Ooh, is this one finer than the other? So let's see, this one is the Kaweco, oh my gosh, I think this one is the AL. I think I'm gonna, goodness, I think this one is called the Kaweco AL Sport X Hello Kitty. And this one is a fine as well. And the ink is the Kaweco blue cartridge. So if my eyes are doing me right, this one actually looks a little finer than this one. So that's kind of interesting. The weight of this one, it feels substantial. It feels nice, actually. I do really like the lightweight feel of these. I don't know if I've mentioned this, but I have been trying to watch different Skillshare videos just to, I don't know, learn how to take photos better. And I've implemented a couple of things that I've learned in the videos as well. So I sit there and I'm a very traditional person, you know, like I've got to have a notebook there. I've got to take notes, all of that. I mean, obviously I love, handwriting things. Oh, goodness. Okay. And I've always learned best if I see it, hear it, and write it, then most of the time I've got it. So I was that way in college and everything like that. So I have been able to, I've been trying to take each one of my pens and do like one Skillshare class and just kind of write with it and see, you know, does my hand cramp up, anything like that. That's one issue that I'm kind of having with the TWSBI Diamond 580 ALR. It's a little on the heavy side, so my hand does cramp up a little bit, but I've had no issues whatsoever with the Kaweco Skyline Sport or the TWSBI Ecos because they're such lightweight pens. So I'm definitely gonna give this one a try to see how, you know, just like, can we call it hand fatigue? Just to see if my hand starts cramping up and everything like that, if I'm taking pages upon pages of notes and everything like that. So, I don't know about y'all, but I guess I'm weird in this, but I've kind of seen other people talk about this kind of stuff too. Like if the pen feels really good in my hand, then I feel like I write better. My handwriting is a little bit nicer and cleaner. So anyway, so that's what I wanted to show y'all. I'm super excited. I love these. They're gorgeous. They're so beautiful. Two pretty pink pens. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I will try and leave links down below if you want to pick these up for yourself. Hopefully if you are watching this today, tomorrow, a month from now, 5 months from now, 5 years from now, hopefully you'll be able to pick these up for yourself. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this and everything. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see future videos, please hit subscribe. I would love to have you over here. And other than that, I will talk to y'all soon. Bye, everybody.